Hey everyone, it's Monke and it's Kong. Today we are gonna be camping and we're gonna be camping for 2 nights. But unfortunately we cannot do a campfire. Why, Monke? If you've seen one of our videos, which was the road trip to Hinton and Jasper, there is a wildfire in Jasper, and because of that there's a fire ban. Yeah, it's sad there's no campfire, but maybe next time. Where are we camping at, Monke? We are camping in Thunder Lake Provincial Park. It is in the town of Tiger Lily, which is here in the province of Alberta. Oh, cool. Maybe there'll be tiger lilies. Who knows? We brought some things to play with. Here they are. So we've got fingerlings and then this puzzle. So we've got this unicorn named Lulu. And then we've got Baby Shark. And then we have the dog that we were unboxing in that video, Bailey. And then we have this pink monkey named Harmony. This pink bird named Debbie. This blue monkey named Leo. This blue bird named Lionel. And these 2 fingerling minis, Peach, she's pink, and Reese, he is purple. We have this Hello Kitty Imagine Ink, which we're gonna do. Yeah, it says magic ink picture, sounds fun. This is how it works. Wow, it is a magical ink marker. Alright, we colored the Hello Kitty logo. And then hearts, and then the bubbles. Let's color this entire thing. Here's the first page, and it says, after playing each game, try to find a blue bow hiding somewhere on every page. Let's color the picture to see what Hello Kitty is up to. So cute. It's Hello Kitty and a narwhal and an ice cream sundae. What a big one. It says yum yum and has sprinkles in the background. Found the blue ball. Now I think we can do one more page and we'll save the rest for the trip. This next activity says color in the dotted rectangle, then draw lines to connect the items that match. We've got this ice cream. And then the pineapple with a bow. The ice cream has a cute bow too. And then the watermelon, which is one of my favorites. And then the dotted rectangle. Okay, we've got the pineapple. And then the watermelon. Oh, we've got A is the pineapple, B is the watermelon, and C is the ice cream. Alright, now let's match. Okay, so 2 goes with A, 1 goes with C, and then 3 goes with B. Let's see if we got the answer right. Yep, 1C, 2A, and 3B. And ooh, we found the blue bowl. We also have a bubble tape, but it's grape flavored. Tastes like a grape medicine, but it's good. Here's the next activity. Help Hello Kitty find her convertible. Follow the maze from 1 to 12 to get there. We'll do this one more page, and then we'll save the rest for camping. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. And wow, she has a nice convertible. And here's the blue bowl. We're here at the campsite and it looks amazing. We've got this next activity. It says Hello Kitty is learning her colors. Color the circles to see how they mix together. Let's see. Red. Let's color the red circle. Red and then yellow. Red and yellow make orange. And then there's this cute little narwhal. Let's color it. Next up we have red and blue. Red and blue make purple. And then we've got the cute little Hello Kitty and the cute little Hello Kitty right here. What a cute dress. And then we have yellow and blue, and together they make green. And then, oh, the hidden bow. Oh, here's the hidden blue bow. Wow, what a nice rainbow. Here's this activity colored the picture to see what Hello Kitty is up to. Here's the picture. It's Hello Kitty and under the sea with the narwhal and jellyfish and a starfish and these confetti sprinkles. It's saying hello. How nice. And there's the blue ball. Here's the next activity. Color the boxes to find which square completes the picture. Let's look at the options. A, B, or C. Oh, here's the blue ball. Now, people at home, can you guess which piece fits in the puzzle? Which square? Is it A, B, or C? It's A. So if you said A, you are right. A completes the picture. This next activity says, grab a friend and play hidden tic-tac-toe. Each player chooses a heart or a star. Take turns coloring in a space. If you reveal your icon, you win 2 points. If you reveal your friend's icon, you get 1 point and your friend gets 1 point. Getting 3 in a row doesn't win the game. The player with the most points wins. Okay, Monke, we're gonna play tic-tac-toe together. I'll be heart. I'll be star. Okay, let's see. Oh, I get 2 points. My turn. Oh, I get 1 point and Monke gets 1 point. My turn. Oh, hard again, but it said that 3 in a row doesn't win the game, so I get a point. My turn. Oh, hard again. I get a point, and Monke gets a point. Let's see what I get. Ooh, a star. This means me and Kong get a point each. Let's see what I get. I got a star, so I get 2 points. My turn. Ooh, I got Kong's icon. I got Kong's icon, so this means I get a point and Kong gets a point. My turn. Heart. So this means same thing. 1 point for me, 1 point for Monke. All right, it's my turn. Oh, a star. Let's save the other 3 games for later and let's see. Ooh, Hello Kitty is making a batch of lemonade. Color in one shape at a time. Try to uncover 3 lemons before you uncover 3 pineapples. Okay, sounds fun. Oh, found the blue ball. Love this iced tea, it's so good. Let's color Hello Kitty in. Oh, she has a nice watermelon dress this time. And her cute bow. Cute, it's a red bow. And then her nose. Okay, 3 lemons before uncovering 3 pineapples. Okay, let's start here. Looking good. And then, oh, we found a lemon. Oh yeah, another lemon. Uh-oh, we uncovered a pineapple. There we go, we uncovered a lemon. Yay, we found the blue ball. This next activity says, can you spot the difference? Color the pictures of Hello Kitty and circle the one that is different. Let's try A. She's wearing a cute strawberry dress. Let's try B. She has the same dress. Let's try C. Her bow is blue. And her dress is blue. And D. Alright, people at home, can you spot the Hello Kitty that is different? Is it A, B, C, or D? The answer is C. So if you said C, you are right. We thought this was the hidden blue bow, but here it is. Here's this next one. Hello Kitty is traveling to a new surfing spot. Follow the arrows hidden in the diamonds to help guide you in the correct direction. An X means you went the wrong way. If you uncover an X, go back and try another direction. Let's color Hello Kitty and her car. Okay, start. Uh-oh, we got an X. Oh, another X. Oh, the blue bow. Got it. And here's the surfing spot. Here's the last page. It says, color the picture below to reveal a secret message. It says, great job, and has Hello Kitty riding her convertible. And that's the end of the Imagining booklet. We have Reese's. Yummy. Yum. I like Reese's. Me too, Kong. Check out the tent. Look at the playhouse. Let's go in. Oh, cute little bench for us, and we're gonna go down the slide. Whee! Wow, look at the lake, Kong. Yeah, it looks so cool, little bro. And the sun's setting. Do you like it, big bro? Yeah, amazing. This hot dog is yummy. Alright guys, this is our first night, and tomorrow we will show you the second day and night of the camping trip. Good night, Kong. Good night, Monke. Morning, Kong. Morning, Monke. Can't wait for today. Today's gonna be a good day. Come on, little bro, wake up. Okay, coming, Kong. This is delicious. A bun, it's like a sandwich. It has a cheesy omelette inside, sausage, and some sweet chili sauce. Yum, yum. Hot cocoa. We have this Pento puzzle. So you basically cover the game board with the slider. Monke, I'm gonna teach you how to play, okay? Okay, big bro, how do you play? So there's this slider thing. So there's 3 levels. Level 1 has the slider in here, and then 3 pieces have to cover. And then level 2, the slider is here, and then you use 4 pieces to cover the game board. And then the last level, which is level 3, has no slider, and you have to use 5 pieces. Okay, sounds like fun. Alright, little bro, for level 1, the first combination is you will need this piece, and then you will need this red T piece, and then you will need this piece. So you need to start with these pieces and then put the slider in the first level space. Alright, Monke, this is where you'll need to insert the slider. Okay, I'll try. So I'll use this yellow piece, and then I will need this green piece, and then the red piece. Big bro, I did it! Great job, little bro, you're getting good at this. Let's try one from the next level. So let's move the slider to this space. Okay, Monke, you'll need these pieces. Okay, so I'll try to put this in here. And then I will need to get this here. Nah, that won't work. Has to cover the entire game board. Nah, I'll try another way. Okay, this. And then, this. And then this, and then finally this piece. Look, Kong, I did it! Good job, Monke. Now are you ready for the final level? Look, Kong, I did it! Great job, little bro. Are you ready for the final level? Okay. So for the final level, no slider. Okay, so you'll need these pieces and try to get all 5 pieces to fit into the game board. Okay. Let's see. I will need to put this T right here. And then I'm gonna put this. And then I'm gonna put this. And then this. And this. Look, Kong, I did it. Great job again, Monke. There's more pieces and solutions, but we'll try them later, okay? Okay. This is good. Kong, look, I really want to swim in the lake like how we did in the road trip. Sorry, Monke. There's leeches in the lake and it'll be dangerous. They could suck our blood. Oh no, I don't want that. So let's avoid the lake and just have fun here. Okay, Monke. Look at the wasp nest. Don't go near it, Monke, otherwise it'll sting you. Okay. Monke, these look like cherries. Yeah, Kong, they look like small little cherries. This slushy is good. I agree, Monke. Monke, let's play Uno. Okay, Kong, sounds like fun. Let's open this pouch up because it has all of the Uno cards in it. The Uno cards are out, and I'm gonna give 7 cards to myself and 7 cards for Monke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, Kong, don't show me your cards. Yep, Monke, don't show me your cards. Alrighty, I'm gonna put the card, which is supposed to go in the middle, here. So, Monke, you should put either a red or a skip card. Okay, I'll go first since I'm younger. Yep, I have a red. Kong, take 2 cards. Okay. Okay, do I have a +2 or a red? Oh, I have a 4. Monke, your turn. Okay, I have to have a 4 or a red. Ooh. Okay. Let's see. Change the color to yellow. Okay, I have a yellow. I'm gonna get this card. +2. Kong, 2 cards. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take... Okay, 2 cards. There, got 2 cards. Okay, it's my turn. Change the color to green. Do I have green? No, I don't have green. I better get another card. Oh, I don't have green. Monke, you can go. Okay. Okay, Kong, you get 2 cards. What? I keep getting 2 cards. There, I got 2 cards. Your turn, Monke. Okay. Kong, you skip a turn. Aw, Uno. Monke, it's your turn. Okay. I'm gonna use the reverse card on you, Kong. Oh, yay! I won. I may be the little brother, but I'm good at Uno. Yay! Hey, Kong, wanna tell spooky stories? Okay, although we wanted to around the campfire, we cannot because there's the fire ban and we cannot do the campfire. So we're gonna tell the spooky stories here. What do you think our spooky story should be about, little bro? Okay, here I go. Once upon a time, me and Kong were happily camping together, eating delicious food, going on adventures, playing games with each other, and having a happy and peaceful time until thump, thump, thump. A Bigfoot came and destroyed the campsite, and he scared us. What? So he scared the both of us? Yeah, he scared the both of us. Ooh, then what happened next? And then we immediately evacuated and returned back home. Oh yeah, and we had to cancel camping early because of Bigfoot invading, right? Yeah, we were so scared. Bigfoot wanted our food, he wanted our toys, he wanted the things we brought, he wanted our games, he wanted to play with us. But then we told him no because he was so scary. He was scary, all right. Yeah, and then we immediately told the counselors, and then they said that Bigfoot needed to be nice to me and Kong. And then what happened, Monke? And then Bigfoot was nice. He played with us. We had fun together, and we had the best camping trip ever. That was a great story, Monke. All right, guys. This is the second day and night of our camping trip. It's complete. Tomorrow is the last day of the camping trip, and we're gonna return home. Good night, big bro. Good night, little bro. Love you. Love you too, Kong. Hey guys, today is the last day of our camping trip and everything is packed. Yeah, that was such a good trip. I hope we can have more adventures soon in the future. Anyways, we gotta go. This is Kong and Monke signing off. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell because we are so close to getting 100 subscribers. Have a Konke-tastic day.